Hello everyone! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's me again, Mamili and Liantot. Getting ready for church. Pag-wait sa. Yeah. Simba kami ngayon. Isa ready na. Hi guys!
Taliksing guys.
Taliksing guys.
Mauto guys.
May udto. Good morning pa. May buntag.
May buntag, may auto,
Yeah.
may buntag.
Simba kaming Lian. With Daddy Dan.
May buntag. May buntag.
Malaki na si Lian guys.
Tani oh.
Ang dalian talaga ng panahon.
Tani. Tani oh.
Hindi malate na ta. 9. Mag-start yung service. 9. 9 ya.
Then pisted mom. Tara pisted my hand. This
I will fix it.
want my
Just wait.
candies. This honey.
Honey.
Honey. Honey. Honey. Honey. Honey. Honey.
Tarong ba?
Honey ba? Honey. Honey na ko na.
Nirilo ni Yantot. Mag-behave ka dito ha. Para magkakuha na po kag-ticket. Dana. Let's go. Hi. Let's go. Kuha yung shoes ko tong brown. Yeah, I have already here. I have already. Magmas pa sa pa. Silong sa street oh. Dili! Kanang brown. Yeah.
Ang dili ba? Ang dili na shopper. I can't.
Let's go. Mas ni mo Lian. As daddy.
What?
Mas.
Here.
Lian.
It's your mask. Mask. Let me have your mask.
Mask. Mask. It's okay, this one, yeah?
Yeah, it's fine.
Church. Reduction.
Everything's off.
Let's go. Close na. Hindi mo close. Wala. Kaya maglakad na kami guys kasi malapit lang man yung church. Dito lang sa IT Park. Part sa IT Park. Yan tot. Huy, huy. You have lipstick. Sorry. Na ano na yung pimples ko guys. Oh, medyo nawala na.
Okay, then you
Sana
press-
mawala
just press
talaga
it
yung
once.
pimples ko. Ito yung problema ko.
Press it once.
Pimples lang yung problema ko guys. Kasi sa hormonal imbalance siguro.
Okay.
Like the church. Ito.
Push it.
Morning.
I'm with that.
May auto.
Give her a high five. Give her a high five.
Happy Sunday. Going to church. Ang mas na para ano kasi dito sa sa street pa guys.
Ay, asa putang pa.
Abog.
Nawa siya ni oh.
Abog. Morning ya.
Ay, hold hand.
Pero nga imong na ako. Pero nga. Ito kita.
Kita ko.
Ginhawara ka na? Ha? Ginhawara ka? Ginhawara ka na? Sagdi na ka ginawa sa mong mas. Pwede na di magmas.
Tarong drive ha. tickets?
Yeah.
They said they're open store.
Today?
December 1st.
Dito na kami. Malapit na kaming Lian. Ayun, hold ka mo.
So that's
What?
I asked you what time it was this morning. You kept saying 2, 4, 5. I could guess on all times.
Lian?
Yeah.
Ito na. Come here. Sama na imong relo?
Oh, nakubanan.
You like it?
Yes. Wak, tapos niya kami ko.
Yan. Nag-high five na ka? High five na ka? Alright, done na siya nag-high five. Ah, you're done, no? Let's go. Morning. Morning. High five Dayan. Morning. High five pa yun.
High five pa. Sige.
Dito mo si Lian. Sa kanyang room. School Sunday. Lian, morning. Let's go inside, Jack. Let's go. Dito mo si Lian and kami mag... Bye-bye sa mami. Hug sa mami. Love you.
Our sins. He's faithful and just and will forgive us of our sins and cleanse us from all unrighteousness. So let's take comfort in this. At the same time, let's heed this word before we come before the presence of God. Let's just reflect, or as we're coming before the presence of the Holy God, let's just reflect over our sinfulness.
Mourning over the death of Jesus privately in his home. Not sure if that happened, but he was absent. And in verse 24, Lord, they that can trace their history back to the time of Thomas.
Heart, mommy.
Iulit sa itong ngalan. Let's go. Iulit na itong ngalan ito lang. Okay, come here. Come here, sa. Yun na, gawas. Ito ko ba niyang ticket? Kutong sa unang kuwan. Pwede ito, ikuan po. Let's go na. Kadahan na ka siya natigong. Let's go.
Where's the kid?
Open, open. Let's go, man. You have more tickets. Let me see, what's that? Wow! Heart. Heart and star. Very good, ka?
Big car.
Yeah. Wait, wait. Next time na po na kayo. Pagkaroon na po. Let's go lang.
Mommy, red, mana, red.
Yoy, what's the color of this?
Red.
Bele.
Mommy, asa?
Ha?
Sana.
Purple. Yeah. Color is purple, yeah. Violet, purple. It's not blue.
Mommy, red one.
Oh, there goes. You behave? Okay. You have toys.
Candy and a toy, so
I behave.
Tomorrow na pod. Na naman kayo po ha. Dapat kayo sa imong bulsa. Oh, sige na.
hi sir. Good morning.
Hi. Ay.
Thank you. Good morning, sir.
Nagpa-open ako ng isa, guys. Dorian from Davao.
Choose between new member or existing member. 3. Enter name and contact information. And 4. Validate your account with OTP and get your barcodes. Now,
Tagal ako hindi kain nito.
your shopping, but you also endless benefit.
Let's go na liyan. Yan, nagpa-open ng Dorian. Ha? Wala pa. First time pa ganito nila ni. Lagi ako. Kung yung favorite. Carry him. Yeah, yes. Isa. Sakay-sakay man. Let me.
And brother.
Yeah, that's first. It's a... Oh! Ah, gara-gara karon. Oh, das mag ka diya ba? Pistachios. So expensive, oh my god. Yeah. The almond that are nice, but not now. Ayan, Lian. So, yung, paano niya? Price niya sa church, Sunday school. It's good?
Not only do you enjoy shopping, but you also get rewarded for it.
It's good?
Hurry and register today. It's no other just benefit.
Later na.
We're here to make life easy for you. Welcome to the Metro.
Wala ko'y gunting. Dito na lagi sa kuwan lagi. Kaya mahugaw ng sina. Ito na ipa-ice. Nalamit na siya na i-ice. Ito kaon. Dito lang kami nag guys. Nag-lunch. Mister, mahilig sila ng paset. Yummy? Mister, pero, yan. Inuwi na din kami. After kain, uwi na.
What do you do?
Wait. Hi guys, nakauwi na kami. Ito yung Dorian na nabili namin. Kain tayo.
Mommy.
Let's eat durian.
Mom.
What?
Let's get old toys over here. Old toys over there. Look at. Look at. Over there.
Yeah.
It's old toys so
Honey.
many.
Share it.
Okay. Mom, please. Mommy, please.
You want?
No. I pull Mommy. Thank you.
You're full. Oh, sorry. Just eat. Don't eat the sis. You like?
I don't know.
Finish that all. Yeah. First time ni... Is for your first time yan. First time yung kumain ito, guys. Sa akin na naman ito. Lagi na akong kain ito. Kasi isa to sa paborito ko. Before, ayaw ko nito, guys. Kasi sa amoy. Yung durian. Pero yung sanayan ko na kumain, yan. Naging favorite ko.
Every has its own taste.
Hmm?
Look at Mom. I'm showing you money.
Can put in your
It has its own taste.
piggy bank.
Wow, look at that piggy bank over here.
Piece.
Look at! Mommy! Look at! Look at!
You like it?
It's good.
So noisy. Let me see. Show them. Ito yung piggy bank ni Liam. Sobrang laki. Ano to niya?
No, yeah.
December mo to ano yan, open. Dapat mapuno to before December, okay?
Yes.
Yan guys, ano siya, yung mag-fix sa kanyang bed. Bigyan siya ng coins. Pag maglinis siya, ano yung mga laruan niya. Bigyan din siya ng coins.
Ang tawa!
Pag may
Look at teacher.
sige, then play.
Good.
Wow! Not like that. You want more, honey?
Yeah, another piece. It's good. It's not.
So you like it, yeah?
It's alright. It's good.
You like more lanzones?
I like the whole.
Pero yung favorite niya nga, guys, na prutas is yung lanzones. Yeah. His favorite fruits, lanzones. Akin naman is,
Where'd you find that?
lahat naman sigurong prutas, favorito ko.
My back.
Nam-nam.
Oh, look at this rocky. Look at. Look at me. Look at.
So yan guys. Ayan ko na yung...
At rocket.
Bye-bye guys.
Bye-bye, guys.
Thanks for watching.
Can you walk it or ano?
Yan, God bless you all.
Can you walk it or?
From church, then ang grocery, then ayan, kalak-kalak.
Walk it or?
Sama na lah.
Walk it.
Bye-bye na, flying kiss.
Bye-bye.
Ingat kayo lahat guys.